is really amazing. First session, I really had a fantastic result, an instant clarity that really helped me with my work. It's been a long time since the last time I made money trading stock options, but after her session, in less than 2 hours, I made $2,500. I was suffering from grief because I lost my puppy, and I could not make anything right with my business. Since the first session with Michelle, I had a clarity that I could never explain. All of a sudden, my brain was so clear that I could just do the right thing without even thinking. And whatever was ailing in my body just disappeared. It was really amazing. It was fantastic. She sparkles me. She elevates my energy. That is my biggest takeaway.